If you forgot your passcode and are unable to unlock your iPhone, you can reset it to remove the passcode lock and then restore it from a backup later. If you've entered your passcode incorrectly too many times, your device will be disabled and there will be an option to reset your iPhone in the bottom right corner of the screen. To do this, tap Forgot Passcode. If you've recently changed your passcode, you might be able to use your old passcode for 72 hours to temporarily sign in. When you sign into your iPhone this way, you must immediately change your passcode again. Otherwise, tap Start iPhone Reset. All content and settings on your iPhone will be erased, including any photos or notes, along with the passcode. If you have a backup saved in iCloud or on your computer, you can restore your content when this process finishes. To proceed, enter your Apple account password when prompted, then tap Done. Now the process of resetting your iPhone will begin, which might take a moment. Once it's been erased, the Hello screen will appear. You can then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone from a backup if you have one.
If you can't reset your iPhone wirelessly, you can reset it with recovery mode and a computer. To use this option, you'll need a Mac or a PC and a compatible cable. You also might need to allow your Mac to connect to your iPhone. You can use this option regardless of which version of iOS is on your iPhone. If your iPhone has Find My enabled, you'll need to have your Apple account information ready. First, regardless on which iPhone you have, make sure to turn off your phone completely. Now, connect your iPhone to your computer and press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. Now you'll complete the process using your computer. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open the Finder. If you're using a PC, open the Apple Devices app. If your PC doesn't have the Apple Devices app, or your Mac is using macOS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes instead. When the option to restore or update your device appears, click Restore. All content and settings on your iPhone will be erased, including any photos or notes, along with the passcode. If you have a backup saved to your computer or iCloud, you can restore it after this process is done. Click Restore and Update when you're ready. Your computer will begin to download and install the latest available version of iOS on your iPhone. When the process is finished, your iPhone will restart and the Hello screen will appear. You can then follow the prompts to restore your iPhone from a backup if you have one. Good luck, and don't forget to subscribe.